Format y-axis as %. I have an existing plot that was created with pandas like this. The y-axis is format as float and I want to change the y-axis to percentages. All of the solutions I found use x.xyz syntax and I can only place code below the line above that creates the plot. I cannot add x equals x to the line above. How can I format the y-axis as percentages without changing the line above? Here is the solution I found but requires that I redefine the plot. Link to the above solution per plot using percentage on x-axis.
This is a few months late, but I have created PR number 6251 with matplotlib to add a new %formatter class. With this class you just need one line to reformat your axis, 2 if you count the import of matplotlib.ticker. %formatter accepts 3 arguments: smax, decimals, symbol. Smax allows you to set the value that corresponds to 100% on the axis. This is nice if you have data from 0.0 to 1.0 and you want to display it from 0% to 100%. Just do %formatter 1.0. The other 2 parameters allow you to set the number of digits after the decimal point and the symbol. They default to none and %, respectively. Decimals equals none will automatically set the number of decimal points based on how much of the axis you are showing. Update. %formatter was introduced into matplotlib proper in version 2.1.0.
Pandas data frame plot will return the ax for you, and then you can start to manipulate the axis whatever you want.
Jiangshan's solution did the job for me but broke the y-value indicator at the bottom left of the window. I ended up using func_formatter instead, and also stripped the unnecessary trailing zeros as suggested here. Generally speaking, I'd recommend using func_formatter for label formatting. It's reliable and versatile.
For those who are looking for the quick one-liner. Or, if you've saved your matplotlib.axis object into variable ax. This assumes import from matplotlib import per plot as plt, Python greater than equals 3.6 for f-string formatting. For older versions, replace fx column.0% with column.0%.formatx.
I'm late to the game but I just realized this, ax can be replaced with plt.gca for those who are not using axes and just subplots. Echoing at mad physicist answer, using the package %formatter it would be.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.